What are the essentials that we need to know when we're looking into this world?
Well, when it comes to any STIHL tool, we always focus on quality, robust tools that are comfortable to use and ergonomic and have the power to do the task at hand. So when we focus on blowers in particular, power is paramount. So with a blower, that comes from a number of different factors.
Right.
You need air speed, and that's the speed of the air going through the blower, which is particularly important when clearing wet leaves.
Right, okay.
We have air throughput, which is the amount of air travelling through the blower to help get the job done.
Okay, which is more important, speed or throughput?
They're both really, really important factors. So it's very easy to get them independently, but the combination of both of those factors together give a true indicator of blower performance. So we actually measure that in newtons, which is the airspeed and the air throughput combined with a measure of newtons to give it the overall performance of a blower. So that's the best spec to really look at.
So I see over your shoulder a slightly different machine. What can you tell me about that?
Well, let's get it on the table and take a look.
I like that. All right, I'll put the batteries away.
And I'll get the BGA 100.
And that goes with the cable with this harness system, right?
Yes, it does. So this is the BGA 100, a really, really lightweight and agile machine that rather than having a slot underneath the tool like we saw on the BGA 250 earlier, this can plug in and you can wear the battery on your belt. So you can strap that in comfortably and work really, really freely. And if you're going around cemeteries perhaps, or around trees or around flower beds, you need to be a lot more agile. You've got the really lightweight blower, only 2.5 kilograms, so you can move that around very freely and easily. And
what kind of power are we getting from this?
We're talking 17 newtons here, so you're still getting a really good amount of blowing force, and you can really clear a lot of leaves and debris with that. But it is the key thing about this is that it's a lot lighter at 2.5 kilograms.
And then there's the other one as well that's hanging here.
That's the BGA 200.
Okay.
So
bit of space on the workbench there.
As the name depicts, we've got an increase in numbers here.
Right.
So we're moving up in weight up to 3.2 kilograms, but blowing performance, the all-important number is 21 newtons.
Okay, so yeah, significantly more powerful. So again, that would be for a different type of task, would it?
Yeah, so if you're clearing more heavy or more dense leaf fall, perhaps, then you can move up to the blower with more blowing force. And again, you've got the ability to plug into this tool. So there's no weight in the tool with a battery. That's still on your waist, and it's still very agile and very easy to maneuver around. So another option in the STIHL range. Okay,
what the people watching at home can't see is there's like a clip system on the other side here.
Yeah,
what's going on here?
This is our comfort carrying system, or part of our comfort carrying system, where this clip actually slots into a hip belt based carrying system.
Right.
So the BGA 200 can be used as an agile handheld blower, but if you're doing longer working tasks where you want to be more comfortable and slot it into your hip belt, you can do that as well.
And you've got a video, right?
Yeah, exactly. We've got a video here.
You see it slipping in there?
It's slotted in, so the weight's on the user's hip rather than in their hand. It's got cruise control too, so you can put it into whatever power mode you need and then drive it from actually the front handle there.
Yes.
So holding that, not pulling any triggers, it's just very, very easy to manoeuvre and move around as you need to.